Hi, Mike. How are you?
Hi, Anna. I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am fine, thanks. Do you have any plans for tonight?
Yes, I do. I am going to a romantic meeting. What about you?
I am also going to a romantic meeting. Are you excited?
Yes, I am very excited. It is my first date with Jane. Who are you meeting?
I am meeting John. It is our second date. Where are you going?
We are going to a nice restaurant. What about you?
We are going to a cafe. Do you have a gift for Jane?
Yes, I bought her some flowers. What about you?
I bought John a small box of chocolates. Do you think he will like it?
Yes, I think he will love it. What are you wearing tonight?
I am wearing a red dress and black shoes. What about you?
I am wearing a white shirt and blue jeans. Are you nervous?
Yes, I am a little nervous. Are you?
Yes, I am a little nervous too. But I am also excited. Do you like romantic meetings?
Yes, I like them. They are special and fun. Do you?
Yes, I enjoy them. It is nice to get to know someone new. What do you like to talk about on a date?
I like to talk about hobbies and interests. What about you?
I like to talk about movies and books. Do you like to ask questions?
Yes, I think asking questions is important. It shows you are interested. Do you have any plans after the dinner?
Yes, we are going for a walk in the park. It is a nice way to end the evening. What about you?
We are going to watch a movie. It will be fun. We should talk about our dates tomorrow.
Yes, let's do that. I have to go now. See you later, Anna.
See you, Mike. Have a great evening.
Hi, Lisa. How are you?
Hi, Sam. I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am fine, thanks. I have exciting news. I am going to my village after 10 years.
Wow, that's amazing. When are you going?
I am going next week. I am very excited. Have you ever been to a village?
Yes, I have. Villages are very peaceful and beautiful. What will you do there?
I will visit my family and old friends. I will also see my old house. What about you?
I like to visit my grandparents in their village. It is always a great time. How long will you stay?
I will stay for 2 weeks. I want to enjoy my time there. How long do you stay when you visit?
I usually stay for a week. It is very relaxing. What do you miss the most about your village?
I miss the fresh air and the green fields. What do you like the most about the village?
I love the quiet and the stars at night. Are you taking any gifts for your family?
Yes, I am taking some clothes and toys for my nieces and nephews. Do you take gifts when you visit?
Yes, I take homemade cookies and some books. What will you eat there?
I will eat traditional food. My mom makes the best dishes. What do you eat in the village?
I eat fresh vegetables and fruits. It is very healthy. Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I am traveling alone. It will be a long journey. How do you travel to the village?
I travel by bus. It takes about 3 hours. How long will your journey be?
It will take about 5 hours by train. I am looking forward to it. Do you have any travel tips?
Yes, take some snacks and water. Also, bring a book or music. Do you like train journeys?
Yes, I do. They are comfortable and scenic. We should plan a trip together sometime.
Yes, that would be fun. Let's plan it soon.
Okay. I have to go now. See you later, Lisa.
See you, Sam. Have a great trip. Hi, Tom. How are you?
Hi, Sarah. I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am fine, thanks. Are you going to meet your closest friends today?
Yes, I am. I am very excited. Are you meeting your friends too?
Yes, I am meeting my friends this afternoon. Where are you meeting your friends?
We are meeting at the new cafe in town. Where are you meeting your friends?
We are meeting at my house. We are having a small party. What time are you meeting your friends?
We are meeting at 3 p.m. What about you?
We are meeting at 4 p.m. What do you plan to do with your friends?
We are going to have coffee and talk. Maybe we will go for a walk. What about you?
We are going to play games and watch a movie. Did you buy anything for your friends?
Yes, I bought some cookies and snacks. Did you prepare anything?
Yes, I made some sandwiches and lemonade. Do you see your friends often?
Yes, we try to meet every weekend. Do you see your friends often?
Yes, we meet once a week. It is always fun. How many friends are you meeting?
I am meeting 3 friends. What about you?
I am meeting 4 friends. Do you have any special plans?
Not really. We just like to talk and relax. Do you have any special plans?
We might take some photos and listen to music. Do you take photos with your friends?
Yes, we always take photos. It is a nice way to remember the day. Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I love taking photos. It captures the happy moments. Do you like to play games with your friends?
Yes, we sometimes play card games or board games. What games do you play?
We like to play charades and trivia games. It is very fun. We should all meet together sometime.
Yes, that would be great. Let's plan it soon.
Okay. I have to go now. See you later, Tom.
See you, Sarah. Have a great day.
Hi, Anna. How are you?
Hi, Lisa. I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am fine, thanks. What are you doing today?
I am going to the beauty salon. I have an appointment. What about you?
That sounds nice. I am going shopping. What are you getting done at the salon?
I am getting a haircut and a manicure. Do you go to the beauty salon often?
Yes, I go once a month. I like to get my hair colored and my nails done. Do you like to try new hairstyles?
Yes, I like to try new styles. I am thinking about getting a shorter haircut. What do you think?
I think that would look great on you. Short hair is easy to manage. Do you have a favorite beauty salon?
Yes, I go to Glamour Salon. They are very good. Where do you go?
I go to Beauty Bliss. They have great services. Do you like to get facials?
Yes, I love facials. They make my skin feel fresh. Do you get facials too?
Yes, I get facials sometimes. They are very relaxing. Are you going to the salon alone?
Yes, I am going alone today. Do you like to go with friends?
Yes, sometimes I go with friends. It is fun to go together. What color will you choose for your nails?
I am thinking about red or pink. What is your favorite nail color?
I like blue and purple. They are very pretty. Do you like to get pedicures too?
Yes, I do. It feels nice to have pretty toes. Do you get pedicures?
Yes, I get them in the summer. It is nice to have pretty feet. Do you have any other plans for today?
No, just the salon. Maybe I will relax at home after. What about you?
I will go shopping and then meet a friend for lunch. We should go to the beauty salon together next time.
Yes, that would be fun. Let's plan it soon.
Okay. I have to go now. See you later, Anna.
See you, Lisa. Have a great day.
Hi, John. How are you?
Hi, Maria. I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am fine, thanks. Are you going somewhere today?
Yes, I am going to the doctor. I have an appointment. What about you?
I am going to the grocery store. Why are you going to the doctor?
I have a checkup. It is just a regular visit. Do you go to the doctor often?
Yes, I go for checkups every year. Do you like your doctor?
Yes, my doctor is very nice and helpful. Do you like your doctor?
Yes, I do. My doctor is very kind. Do you feel nervous about going to the doctor?
No, I am not nervous. It is important to stay healthy. Do you feel nervous?
Sometimes, but I know it is good for me. What time is your appointment?
My appointment is at 10 a.m. What time are you going to the store?
I am going after lunch, around 1 p.m. Do you need to bring anything to the doctor?
Yes, I need to bring my medical card and ID. Do you bring anything special to the store?
Just my shopping list and some bags. How do you get to the doctor's office?
I take the bus. It is a short ride. How do you get to the store?
I walk. It is very close to my house. What will you do after your appointment?
I will go home and rest. What about you?
I will go home and cook dinner. Do you see the doctor for anything else?
Sometimes, if I am sick or need medicine. Do you see the doctor for other reasons?
Yes, if I have a cold or need advice. We should meet up after your appointment.
Yes, that sounds good. Let's have coffee.
Okay. I have to go now. See you later, John.
See you, Maria. Have a great day.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!